Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, nothing hidden under the sun that cannot be seen. Una actor where they call you go do broadcast yesterday. Go grant interview, can't use lie, to scatter everywhere. Forgetting say the interview wey go grant no be only Juju Ekwensu and Indubisi, Stadike and Universal Thunder go watch am. Forgetting that this interview will go viral. My people, you go talk lie, use lie to scatter interview. His son wey dey call Kai don come outside, come drag you woto, no be small. My people, make una carry share, carry joko, make una come hear tori o. No be only my ear go hear this one. Make una carry chair, carry joko, make I come give una the latest details coming from May Edochie household. So, according to May Edochie son wey they call Kai, he said he was waiting for you to come and drag the mother because then they don't prepare. They were waiting for him. They don't prepare and Daniela were together. They were waiting for him. Today, social media for those scatter. Social media for those catch fire today. But surprisingly, Kai say they did not see anything when he talk about their mother. We go make them they drag him. Kai say, he come surprise say, now you can't go they do interview. He thought, in short, they thought because she and her sister, he and his sister, they thought that this man was going to drag their mother. But Kai say, wetin you no know, say, na you want to go do interview for broadcast. So, according to Kai say, no be small lie. Now you lie for your head. And this is not the first time. The other interview where you grant, he lie on his head. This is the second time when this man, they lie for his head. According to Kai say you go interview. You can show the evidence, number one, when he take send down money. Number two, you consider for there say he was the one that stopped his son not to travel to China. Hey, breeze don't blow, na out on nyash don't open. Breeze don't open, na out on nyash you for ground. His son Kai, as the beggar say make he not expose this secret, make he let go. Kai say lie. He say he must expose yo. He say because yo, this is the second time when they use the name say they lie. He say he must expose yo. According to Kai, oh my people, before I go into the details, make I feel welcome now to my wonderful and amazing channel, Mero True Life Story. Please, you wait they watch my video, you never subscribe. I don't know what you they wait for. I beg subscribe. God bless you as you do so. To my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty never bless you all. My people, not be small matter. Hey, according to Kai, make we start from the one when you take to say he send money go give you pikin where they call Kai. Now, your pikin where they call Kai, let us know say true yo send money to her. He received the money. When you send, go give her. He said that one, papa no lie. If papa truly send money, go give her. But there are circumstances surrounding that money. Kai say he did on jejeje. He was surprised. This was a week to this broadcast. Kai say he did on jejeje. He surprised say you send her money. If you make panka, bish. Now he open the phone, he say money enter his school account. Because according to Kai, he get his school account, money account where they use for all the things for school. He say surprise, say money enter. As he open now, the person where he send down, his name na Yul Chibike Edochie. Kai say now he come look, I can say for him mind, he can say be like say this man don mistake. Go say money enter his account. Kai say wetin he talk, he can say no matter how you go cry, beg and reach, you see this money, you no go see again. So Kai say, after he send that message, he not after he received that money, he not say, you can call her. Now he can talk say, hey, he talk and say this man go call her. This money, this man not go see him back. He said, now so you can call her, you can tell us whether I receive money. Now he say yes. Now I can say, okay. He just send you that money for your school. He just send you that money for your upkeep in school. Ah, Kai say, can say upkeep. How? He say, you can tell and say, don't worry. That is your upkeep, your pocket money. He say, before he even talk, you cut the phone. He said the next thing, message come. The message we receive, you can tell and say, hope you've received your money for your upkeep. He said then, where the thief for come surprise her? He call right say, he say, he can tell and say, take care of yourself. And remember, next month, before I will send you another money for your upkeep. So be very careful on your spendings. Kai say, he come surprise. What did they happen? He said he was confused. He called look and I said, this man, he behave strange sometimes. He not just think about those things. He could drop his phone. Not until when he go see you for broadcast. You could they tell them for broadcast say, in the same money, go give your children. They take care of your children. Look, I just sent money. Remember, say this broadcast, before they call them for the interview, they tell them some 2 weeks, some 1 month to invite them for grant. So you're knowing fully well that they will invite him, and these people are ready to see evidence. You can quickly go send money, go give you picking. Call it pick. Even when the child was trying to ask him, say, since when you start to send money, you quick cut off that phone. So that in case they say, oh, let's hear the voice record, if you use that one as evidence, say, see, I call her, I tell her, say, I send money. So you send that money to Kai a week to the broadcast, making for use as evidence. Say, in the same money, go give a children. Kai say he was surprised when this man they bring everything come outside. They show people for there, say, in the same money, go give them. Now Kai say for the second time. The first time, the same thing when he do for that broadcast. The thing not just occur to her say, if Papa won't go do podcast. The thing come pain Kai. Kai say, why they still dey on top of this one? How can this man be this big liar? Money wey be say you purposely send, come give am. You dey tell people say you are taking care of your child. He say, why he and Daniela they talk that one? The next thing wey they hear, you just knock another one again. I stopped my child from going to China. Look, I sent him money. He wanted to travel to China. I stopped him to travel to China. Kai say, now so he put hand for head. Say, you stop her to go China. Like, is this man okay? Is this man okay? He said Daniela told him, when I tell you, I say this my head not correct. Nothing say I dey lie. Do you think this man is okay with his head? This man is not okay with his brain. You go broadcast. You tell them for broadcast say he stop his son, Kai, not to travel to China. Say now he tell us to make him not go. Meanwhile, the story was far different for waiting you tell una. According to Kai say this China where they want travel na school excursion. So they give them form where Papa and Mama go fill the form. Kai say call this una ato efulefu ewitenje ko tell her say see wetin dey happen o. We want travel go China for excursion and you need to fill some form. Kai say never even talk and finish. He say nothing wey you not talk. No. You can't travel to China. You can't be in China. How will you be studying? How will you study your book? How will you pass out of school? You want to travel to China. China is not Cotonou. China is not Ghana. You have to pay ticket. You have to do this. Say Papa can start to complain. You still have how many years to go in the university? If you start traveling to China now, before you finish university, you don't reach Australia. Then who do you think will be paying all those money, sponsoring you? In this hard economic, do you think it is easy? You see, you just start to complain. All the frustration, waiting, they train 3 children where they wear pampers. Your frustration, he started complaining. Kai say, I could tell and say, come. Nobody is asking you to pay for triple. He's only asking you to sign your duty when you sign yourself, put say you won't be person papa. Now, your duty here is to sign. Nobody is asking you money. Nigeria is bad. Nobody is asking you money. He's only telling you to sign for his travel. He said the moment you hear that one, he said you need to see how fast this man twists. He said you can't begin to talk. Guy say you can't begin to talk. And when you are ready, let me know. In short, when I come to Lagos, I will sign it. He said now wait till you come to talk. Guy say this same man when he shouts, you can't travel, you can't go anywhere. The moment this a fully man here say, not being won't pay for excursion, this man change mouth. Okay, I will sign, but China is far. China is far. He said now waiting and the papa talk rich. Now be that all. So according to Kai, my mama sponsor everything for the excursion. The only work where you do now to sign form. He said then surprisingly, the school can cancel the excursion due to some circumstances. He said school can cancel excursion. He said he no even can call this man again to tell him say they don't cancel the excursion. Because after all, the only work when he get now to sign form, not be say he won't pay for anything. He said so he no can call this man for the excursion again. He said he was surprised. Go see you. They talk for both cars say he stop his son from going to China. China, where mama don't pay, they have to refund them everything back. He said they have to refund them everything back. He said now me do she pay for everything. He said which you won't tell her make you not go China. They say you will not know where they pay school fees. Kai say now mama they pay their school fees. In mama now they pay his school fees with Zin school fees. Now mama they pay. Now mama for salt, pepper, everything. He say now mama. He say you not get one help when he did for them. He said the money where you say it's not can't give her. He said now set up. Set up where you want to go do evidence for broadcast. Juju Ekwesu don snatch rubbish. Kai say he was surprised when this man openly was lying. He said you not stop him for China. He said now his friends, if they watch that broadcast, wait till they go talk. Say your papa stop you from going to China. China, but now the school cancel. You were ready to travel. You see how you they disgrace himself with lies on the face of his children. Hey, wonder shall never end. Yo pikin where they call Kai. He don't open the papa bumbo for grant. Public disgrace. Now Kai don't give you papa. Imagine you when you no bring 1 naira out of your pocket for excursion. You say now you stop your son when you know they send 1 naira go give, make it not go excursion. You still go set this boy up the way you set him up for the other interview. Send money to him and pretend as if you were truly sending money to them. Una see una hato 419. If I dey sing for here for una know they believe me. When I tell una say this man ole buruku, ole niye, ole buruku, ole, una know they join me the singer. Una see and say even Kai wey be pikin don come outside, they call it papa ole buruku, ole 419. Imagine. See what he can they tell people for broadcast. Who here now go dey clap hand for a good man? A good man called good man need. Now you be. One dash shall never end. For those of una way they go they drag you say, why did he stop his child from going to China? Yo did not stop the child from going to China. The school canceled the excursion. Kai said the school cancel excursion. You not get hand for inside. How can a man wey no dey pay school fees not know he upkeep? You know they give her anything. How can that man just wake up one morning and begin to tell you and begin to tell him that he shouldn't go to excursion? Excursion wey not pay put. Not be who pay for excursion go tell person say no go. The mother paid for everything. The excursion was cancelled by the school. You have no voice or any say there. You only say now make he come sign paper. The boy say no call him back because what is the need of calling him? He not even thought, okay, this trip, I have 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira to support. Do you know how much it is to buy a ticket to China? Every expenses was on May Edochie. And this man have the audacity to come outside for social media. They thought, say, I told my son not to travel to China. I even paid more. I even sent him money. Una ole buruko ato. Wonder shall never end though. Kai say, the beggar make I not expose the papa. Kai say, he must talk him. He said, because this is the second time when the papa, they use the name, say they lie. The first time he go that broadcast, he send that money, he set am up, he no know. The second one again, he still come send that money. He think say he don cash him papa mungo. He no know say this man get plan. He no know say this man get plan. He purposely sent that money. He purposely sent that money so that he can use it as evidence against May Edochie children. If anybody talk now, they'll say, ah, the man is sending money to them now. The man is taking care of them. What else do you want? And this man is not doing anything. He's just trying to cover his weak side as a man. May Edochie na they sponsor everything. You see why men, you need to be very careful of your fellow men. You see this man, they will make you to lose your family. This man is not paying school fees. He's not taking care of his children. But he's proudly coming out to make other men look like he's responsible. Trying to give you people advice. Whereas if you lefu now, na still for this. So if you lefu, the only thing we if you do for a pikin na to sign paper. 10 kobo chin come, they not say for your hand. Can not keep anyone. He expose the papa to the fool. My lovely fan, just imagine the shame and disgrace. Chai yo yo yo. Hey, your pikin don't open your bumble. So you did not stop him from going to China. That money you sent to him was set up so that you can have solid evidence against them. See how God expose you. Chai, my people. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.